Hello friends, you're watching TWS channel, and in this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can fix email app not working problem or Gmail application not working problem on your Galaxy S22, S22 Ultra or Plus. So first of all, just do subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So to fix email app not working problem, simply first of all just go to settings on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or Plus and just follow every step as I'm showing you in this video.